Hey, Rip. Hey, buddy, come here. Come here, Rip. He says, I've walked all the way up to the sawmill. I'm tired. I'm going to walk where I want to walk. All right, let's go over here, Rip. So here's the sawmill. Almost. Ow. That's the pine tree that Rip treed a bobcat in 2016, I believe it was. Might have been 15. No. It was 16 or 17. The Herrick Sawmill. And, yeah, there's our tree, Rip. DB and RIP, 16, 17, 18. $16, 17, 18, soon to be 19. So yeah, this is the first time we've come out there here this year. And here's the sawmill. Made it once again, Rip. One last time. You know, it's funny though, because we came out here in 2015, and we came out here many times. We hiked up here. I never put 15 in when we were here. So, but we're here in 19. So, put these initials in, and we'll be heading back. All right. So, DB and our Rip. 16, 17, 18, and now 19. Yeah, didn't do such a good job on the 9. But that's all right.